Bonjour, welcome.
Bonjour, Dennis. How are you?
How are you? How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Come in. Come in. How are you? Long time no see.
Hey. Très bonne journée, hein?
Yes, very
Bonjour,
good.
madame.
Bonjour, this Braco.
Bonjour, madame.
Leslie.
Bonjour, madame.
How are
Comment
you?
vas-tu?
I'm fine, thank you.
Alors, je suis venu aujourd'hui,
Do you want to?
oui, car je voudrais voir ton usage des compteurs électriques.
Yes. Do you want to have a look at the meter?
Yes.
Yeah, of course. Come, come. Dennis, what we do, we put money onto the key. Okay, key goes into the meter. Okay, but with ours, if when the money's gone, and there's 0, 0,
Ah, ok.
electric go. No more electric.
D'accord.
All gone. So we have to keep the key topped up at all times. As soon as that key's empty, then we lose our electricity. So it's completely different to yours.
Et après, dès que tu n'as plus de là, 5 livres.
Yeah. See,
Thank you.
it shows you what you've got on there.
Oui.
When you press this here, that's
Gaz.
the usage.
Oui, ok.
So when we're doing this, you know, the exchange thing, that's what I do every week.
Right.
Every Friday, I take that reading,
D'accord, oui.
which tells me how much I've used the week before. Okay, so it's all
Right.
it's all done on that key.
Alors la clé sert vraiment à utiliser le gaz. Alors si tu n'as plus d'unité, alors certes l'électricité est coupée quoi, je confonds avec le gaz.
Yeah.
Alors s'il n'y a plus d'unité, l'électricité est coupée. Ok.
Okay, that's lovely. Thank you. Right.
Alors on a allumé forcément la tablette.
Yes.
On vient sur le calendrier,
Right.
la date.
The date. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
La date est affichée. Nous venons sur valider.
Yeah. I remember that. The validate. Yeah.
Voilà. Ça est en validé. Nous arrivons sur le travail, l'écran économie d'énergie.
Yeah.
Alors nous appuyons sur l'index, hein, les index faits. Nous venons sur le calendrier, taper la date,
Yes.
valider.
Yeah.
Par la suite, nous passons à l'entrée de l'index. En appuyant la consommation, nous entrons le chiffre.
Yeah.
Nous passons le chiffre de données des entrées que tu as pu relever à ton compteur.
Yeah. So basically you put in the dates and the readings and then validating it, and then it's building up a graph of the electricity that we've used. So it's keeping an accurate record of what we're using, yeah.
Et
And it's obviously something that we can compare, because obviously you're doing that, I'm doing it, so we can use them as comparisons, yeah.
quand tu viens sur index, alors tu as ici marqué consommation,
Yeah.
consommation. En appuyant dessus, tu as l'écran, le clavier qui vient.
Yeah.
Taper numéro, affiché ici, valider,
Yeah.
entrer en accord, valider, entrer index,
Yes.
et la courbe se fait.
Yeah.
Tu as le point qui vient,
Yeah, I remember that.
tu as la
last
marge.
one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Alors là, ce clock commence du mois de juillet au mois de mars. La courbe monte.
Yours is all in a straight line, isn't it? Yeah. So your usage is consistent, isn't it?
Et là, redescend un peu là. Alors ici, tu as les archives, index archives.
Yeah.
C'est l'écran qui donne toutes les entrées que l'on a fait, que ce soit en électricité, en eau, en gaz.
Yeah.
Nous avions toutes les données qui sont à l'intérieur.
Okay.
Alors si par exemple on a un oubli,
Right.
on ne se rappelle plus, on le voit sur l'archive index.
Yeah.
Et c'est noté ici.
That's good. Because you explained to me your electric bill, you pay yours differently, don't you? You pay like a set charge twice a year, don't you? And then if you go over your consumption, that's when you have to pay extra money, isn't it? Is it twice?
Tous les 3 mois.
Yeah, twice a year. But if you go over,
On paye tous les 3 mois. Et si par exemple, je n'ai pas, j'ai consommé beaucoup moins, hein, si ma consommation est basse, eux me doivent de l'argent. Si moi, je dépasse le plafond,
then you pay more.
Yeah, you said you have to be careful, don't you? Obviously, what you use, because.
Je crois que nous, notre principe est beaucoup mieux que vous avec la clé. On consomme, mais on réfléchit. Lumière.
But mine's different.
Yeah. Dennis, what do you think's what's the difference between ours and yours? Do you think ours, the way that we pay for ours is better than yours, or do you think that your way is better? I mean, what I mean by that, I mean in the respect that we put the money on the meter, and obviously, you know, you budget, because if the meter's running low and you've got no more money to put on that meter, you know you've got to actually really cut back, because the electricity will be cut off completely. So is there not a small chance that by having a bill twice a year and paying a set rate that you're going to get an unexpected bill? With the way that we do it, although some people don't like that idea, at least you know that you're not going to get any bills.
You're weekly budgeting for electricity, week by week.
Malcolm a 3 filles.
We are 3 daughters.
I have 7 children. 7 children. I have 8 grandkids.
Musique.
Yeah.
Électrique, sèche-cheveux.
Yeah.
Dryer.
And for hair. And the TV. And the laptops and
I mean, we are working on it. It's very hard, because it's the children more than the adults, really. I mean, we do try and cut down, but it's, you know, how do you tell, you know, your grandchildren that they can't have, you know, their tally on and their Xbox on, and, you know, all this sort of thing. So we are learning, and my granddaughter, she's only 6. She's an eco champion at her school. So she is learning. I mean, I think, generally speaking, people are, you know, they're learning. But it is.
But in England at the moment, electricity is cheaper than gas. A little while ago it was reversed, and gas was the cheap energy, but now the electricity is cheaper.
And also I think it's safe to say, when I was discussing it with Tina, you know, the I4 project here with this house was the latter part of the year, so realistically speaking, we haven't really sort of reaped the benefits of it, because it was like the latter part of the year. So I think, you know, hopefully we can, you know, save more money next year.
Il y a eu un suivi comme nous on a eu que sur des économies.
Did you train by I4 project on EcoGest and energy?
I have done the eco training. I went down to Canterbury with Mike Conway.
Oh, yeah.
And I done the eco training there about, you know, the carbon footprints and the herbs. So yeah, I am aware of it.
Yeah.
I'm trying drastically. As I said, it's you know, I'm pretty sure if it was just myself, then everything would be okie cokey. But it's actually teaching other people. That's you know, it's very, as I said, I can't emphasise enough. It's very hard for the children. We are trying very hard, but it's
it is difficult, because children want.
I don't think they understand.
All their normal.
To be fair,
I don't think children realise that there is an end to the supply. They think it will be there forever, and it doesn't matter how much you use. So we need to teach them a lot more.
But I mean, I think, you know, the work that our French colleagues are doing, and what Amicus have done with the I4 project is, you know, I mean, I think, you know, people are now obviously blatantly, they're more aware, and they understand more. So obviously it is that learning curve.
Donc ce que je vous ai expliqué tout à l'heure, c'est que les graphes que l'on voit sur la fiche correspondent à toutes les données qui ont été entrées sur la tablette. Donc nous, on a une base de données, les factures et les index saisis, les index, enfin les nouvelles. Donc l'idée c'est d'en faire une moyenne. Et donc ce que vous voyez sur la courbe, c'est une moyenne à la journée, des consommations à la journée. On est sur un ratio au jour.
D'accord, ouais, d'accord.
Donc on va pouvoir comparer que des logements qui vont avoir des types de logements similaires. Et le nombre de personnes est aussi important parce que, par exemple, Denis, Nicole, vous avez le même nombre vous habitez le même nombre de personnes dans le logement. Donc vous allez pouvoir vous comparer ensemble. Par exemple, Malcolm.
Oui, il y a certainement, mais si tu veux, on a déjà, c'est pas les mêmes maisons non plus. Alors, en disant, moi, c'est plutôt avec Françoise.
Non, mais tu peux faire quand même une comparaison.
Non, parce que là, on parle des usages. Par exemple, pour l'électricité, on va parler juste des usages. Parce que la consommation d'électricité n'a pas forcément un lien avec le bâtiment.
What the table shows is our consumptions with your indexes and and also with invoice, because Michael provides his invoices, and so we could enter the readings on it. And so you could show a graph of our consumption for winter and summer period. And we could see a green line and a red line. It's the standards from your home, only from your own, not for the others, only for your own, for retrofittings made in the homes or not. And if you are under the green line, it's fine. But if you less, because you've got, for example, for costing, you've got the green one, and you're always between the standards, so that's okay. You're into a good consumption, April and November.
Est-ce que vous
they don't switch off the light and everything else.
One person?
There's at least 5, if not 7, living in the same household. So the consumption is going to be going up double, if not treble.
At this time?
So it's okay.